pressure up some. Alright, what we're gonna do is zero this out. It's 29, almost 30. I mean, I use about 5 pounds out of here, roughly. So I'm gonna zero it out. And one thing, I'm gonna make sure I don't go over 3 pounds, 10 ounces, because I don't want to overcharge the unit. And I know I got some refrigerant in there, not much. So I'm gonna start out, probably put about 1 pound, let it run for a while. Put 1 pound, let it run for a while. Then maybe put another pound in, let it run, and see what we got. Maybe have to put 3 pounds, I don't know. Don't hold that much. You can put some liquid in there. I'm put a little liquid in, but I want to charge this as a gas. Take a little longer, but all right. Let that marinate. So I usually have my one with the magnet on here. It's okay though. All right. When I just did a liquid, I just put 0.9 ounces in there. I'm gonna do the rest of the gas. I'm gonna let it rip. When you got your bottle up, that's gas. You know, this video is for my newbies, the ones who want to get into HVAC. So I'm just really want to show the basics. Good trade. Support your family on this trade. Hey. Grind time, 2018. 2018 grind time. I'm telling you, if you ain't working 10, 12 hour days, you ain't working. Or if you know, in winter time, I still work 10, 12 hours, but if you limit to about 8, y'all slow where you from, hey, when you get out of work, you gotta work on yourself. Read, get that refrigeration book. Read you about 10 pages a night. You know, because then it's gonna be familiar with you in the field. Or if you charging up a unit or working on the ice machine, that refrigeration mechanic book, modern refrigeration book, everything you want to know about HVAC in that book. So if you charging up a unit or whatever you're working on, if you changing out a control board or if you changing out a water pump or something like that, read up on it. Then you're gonna familiarize yourself with it. Like I say, you charging up R22 or charging up a system or something like that, read up on it. If you know you're gonna be working on the ice machine the day before, the night before or something like that, read up on it before you go to work that next day. Or like I say, if whatever you working on though, just try to read that whole chapter about whatever you're working on, because then that modern refrigeration book is in there, guarantee you. I got 1 pound, 3 ounces. Look like I'm real low. And like I say, this is an old machine, but to be honest with you, the correct thing to do is You're really supposed to recover everything, or get your electronic leak detector and try to find a leak. Or you can hit it with some nitrogen, recover everything, hit it with some nitrogen. If you want to, you can leave a little trace gas in there, but try to find that leak. And I don't think, I'm gonna pause on that, 'cause there's supposed to be water flowing through here too. Let's see what kind of cycle it's going through. I don't think it's getting enough water either. Cause that water, I believe that water in that vents is circulating. Say 150 water pressure. Oh, that's on. Let's find out what is going right here. So I got water. Hello? Hey, Sus. Okay. Yeah, Asian called this morning. The heater that he was working on. Hold on, man. The heater that he was working on, the customer didn't want to